what's up? My name is Shamir Yakub and now I am going to make an video of supercars. So let's start it. Well guys, you can see this picture. This is Bugatti Chiron. This is very luxury car. Its horsepower is 1500. Its interior is very luxury. You can see it. And its seats are very comfortable. This is Bugatti Divo. You can see it. Its horsepower is 1000. Its interior is made up of leather. You can see it. It is a very luxury car. Now this is Lamborghini Urus. You can see it. This is also a luxury car. Its horsepower is 650 and its interior is made up of leather, and it's a luxury car. Its seats are very comfortable. Now this is Bugatti Veyron. You can see it. Its horsepower